Yes, today we will see the basic animation, how to create a basic animation. Okay, first you will go to Figma in the component design, and then take animation. Okay, um, select here and take it to this. Like okay, speed on shape like this, and then uh, just select the color to see the animation how it looks like. I'm selecting the color here. So after that, uh, just do one thing. Mm, Press Shift N for open. So open it is edit this is independent, and then do one thing. Just create it as a component. Okay, create as a component. Okay, when the component is created, now what you do, you just try to add variable here. Okay, add variable here. So okay, like that. One variant is that it's we are changing this color section. Let's say I'm changing it to blue. Yes, and then try again. Okay, one. Let's say blue color here as a blue. Fine. Now what we have to do? Just click here. Just click here. Okay. After that, go to prototype. When you are going to prototype, uh, one plus sign is there. So this will change into this color. Okay. So this is the property when we will trigger it. So on click we will change to variant. When we click here, then it will turns into blue color. So after that, since for teachers, let's say when you click on the blue color, then it will become green color. And then for the last one, let's say when we click on the green color, then it becomes again red color. So like this way. Then when you done this kind of thing, after that, what you have to do, just go to the asset and search for the frame point. Frame point will become okay. Just wait for some time. See, this one is coming. So try to put just insert instance. Okay, now it's coming. Now do one thing, just select one frame. Okay, let's say we are selecting one frame here. So let's say this frame, go to the design mode again. Let's say this frame is let me select let's say this is just select iPhone 16. Okay. When you press iPhone 16 now, try to put this one inside this. Set the middle I am putting. Just wait. Set the middle. I have put this. Okay. Now just do one thing. Select this one. Go to the prototype. Show the prototype setting, and for TS, just select iPhone 16. Okay. Now just do one thing. Select here and then press this run button. Sorry, present button. Okay. Try to press it. So this is the iPhone 16 screen here. Now we will click here. See, it turns into blue. When you click in the blue, it turns into green. And when you click in the green, it becomes red again. So this is the basic animation tutorial for okay. Thank you.